Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. I hope you're all having another great day. My name is Bob, and today we'll be discussing Nikola and Nikola stock. Why has it been crashing so much recently? Before we get started though, I have listed some of my favorite investing books down in the description below and their links. Please feel free to check those out. Also, the most important thing is don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets my videos out to a larger audience. Now, let's get into it. Nikola came out with their IPO back on June 4th with the reverse merger from VTIQ. There was a lot of excitement around this stock because Tesla finally has a new competitor. The IPO was priced at $37 a share, and within less than a week from it going public, it reached to $80 a share. That means you would have over doubled your investment within less than a week, which is crazy. So, one of my buddies actually did buy Nikola's IPO for around $38 a share, and boy was he bragging on how much money he was making within a week on paper. I was so tempted to try to buy some of these shares, but I kept on thinking to myself, is this really a good investment? And I usually don't buy IPOs. Not only Nikola, but I feel like all the rest of the new EV stocks have been getting pumped up, like Hyliion, Workhorse, and NIO, and with Tesla leading the way as well. Everybody is just so desperate on trying to find the new Tesla or the new competitor to Tesla. And after that initial surge of new investors diving right into this stock, Nikola was around $60 or $70 until July. Needless to say, the month of July has been pretty tough for any Nikola investors out there. The stock price has been decreasing ever since the beginning of July, and just yesterday it got destroyed. The stock dropped 21% just yesterday. So the current levels of the stock price right now is back to the IPO price of a little bit less than $40 a share. Today though, it did jump up 3%. I'm pretty sure this is scary for a lot of Nikola investors because this company is pretty new still and they have a lot more worries than just Tesla. I mean, they haven't even manufactured or technically sold any trucks yet. And I feel like they'll be needing a lot more capital just to manufacture these trucks. This December coming up will be a huge month for Nikola. From December 3rd to the 5th, they are having what's called Nikola World. This event will be held in Phoenix, Arizona, and they'll be debuting a lot of different models of Nikola cars. They will be debuting the Badger and some of their power sport vehicles as well. And it'll be pretty interesting to see what kind of crowd they'll get for this event and to see how many more pre-orders they can get from debuting their electric vehicles. So there's been a ton of hype all around the EV stocks recently. And I'm sure a lot of investors are saying, why is Nikola crashing? Why is the stock price diving so much? The reason why Nikola stock has been getting destroyed recently is because they just filed for 23.9 million shares of common stock. Meaning warrants to buy this stock has now been exercised. This is big news for Nikola because this is where a lot of investors will make sure they lock in profits and sell as quick as possible. The cost of the warrant and the $11.50 required to buy shares total $36.12, leaving a profit of $12.72 a share. So in the short term, we can definitely expect a lot of ups and downs and volatility with this stock. I'm not saying this is a bad investment, but it is really risky. On the other hand, though, this doesn't change anything long term for this company or stock. And the golden question that everybody wants to know the answer to, is Nikola a buy now since this stock has crashed so much? In my opinion, I still feel like it's way too early for at least me to invest in this company. I mean, they still haven't even sold or manufactured a truck yet. Also, the biggest reason why is valuation. Their valuation now is still $14 billion. That's a large market cap. I personally will just be watching this stock right along with all of the other EV stocks on my watch list. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are either watching or buying Nikola stock. I hope I've enlightened you all about Nikola and the reason why the stock has been declining so much recently. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.